then we could sort of explain as people pop in. So,
Yeah.
anybody that's joined, basically just go to that website, tech.rostersniper.com. Um, and that's basically, Jeremiah, if you want to explain a little bit
Yeah.
what's going
So
on.
hey, hey you guys, how's it going? My name is Jeremiah, like I said. So right now we're just gonna demo the Roster Sniper updated page basically. So this is what the current page looks like right now, the live version. So right here, this is mainly tailored for our school, GGC, Georgia Women College. Right now, this is the regular page, is the home page. So, bunch of stuff right here. We wanted to kind of reduce that a little bit, make it more interactive a little bit, so the user knows what they're going for, and make it more non-GGC only kind of looking thing. So right now, click to learn more here. It takes you how this thing exactly works. This is also the about page. Whenever you click the link right here, the about. Right now, basically, the setup is right here. You have to take care of solid images, so you just tap to go next or go back. It's pretty great, but we wanted to have it a little bit more understanding of the users and everything, so how to exactly work the entire site. Right here, we just made some changes to the way layout of the web page right now. It's just here, so you can find your school here. It goes directly into the content, of course. We also have some more information here on how to actually use the site. You can make your account, you look for the courses, and actually favorite the course that you wanted to save it for. And yeah, so you make your email. Make sure you wait for your email. So if say a math class just opened up that you really want to have with a professor, specific professor, you would have this, and you wait for that email. Register now, then you would go to your registration page and go directly to that. And then you can just manage your notifications here. You can remove courses and everything, and see if they're opened up, or you have that information out. And right there, of course, you just register. Straight to the registration page right there. But the page itself currently is tailored more towards now not just our college, but any college that's compatible with the registration system that our school has. So currently, we weren't able to really get that working, but as of right now, we have these examples. So if you go into Georgia State's page right here, you'll be presented with a similar layout. This is just a test page right now, it's a match page. It'll be for example, this is Georgia State University. This goes back to that other page. This is for Georgia Tech. So as you see, it's kind of similar, just tailored more towards that actual school. So we have that school's layout and colors. Of course, we take all the colors directly from the actual school's page, so they're the exact colors that school, and not any kind of like lookalikes or anything. It's just the exact colors that they have. So right now, of course, like I mentioned, so this is going to be the same thing. So it's going to be red for the Georgia Bulldogs, University of Georgia. For now, our school is directly here. Of course, we're making our page right now for this, and then we'll have that search courses. This goes directly into our course page. This, of course, the system works right now. This is going to be our system right here, basically. Whenever we want to look for a course, so let's say we want to look for math courses are here. So these are all the courses are here. These are all the courses that our school, Georgia Gwinnett College, offers. You look for a certain course here. Let's say you want to take algebra. Of course, I'm not signed in currently, but for example, want to do this. So favorite that. So you'll log in. Once you're logged in and everything, actually, I believe I'm logged in. Actually, I have accounts. So, okay, yeah. So yeah, we just look for here. Let's look for spring. So iTech, for example. And I'd say if I wanted to do like a Tuesday only class, I would just apply the filter right here, and it'll show me only Tuesday classes that are involved here. It's not only just Tuesday, but it'll also be any class that includes Tuesday. So like a Tuesday only, Tuesday, Thursday, and so on. So the R stands for Thursday. Of course, you can use that. For example, here, advanced programming, databases. Just register for the course here. You'll start. And once I start, it'll send me an email whenever seats open up. Basically. So right now, not really any of these courses are entirely filled up. So for example, right here, these are the seats that are available. So of course, there's nothing here, so there's no course right now. These are filled up right now. So if I start these, once this goes down to 3 or lower, of course, when there's at least one spot available, they'll email me, and I'll have that information. just come back in and register that for that course. This is mainly what the web page just looks like. And once you have that here, you go to My Courses, it'll be right here. So it'll be saved right here. You can email or not, and you just unfavorite that and it'll go away. That's mainly the page right there, the main functionality page. Any questions at the moment? Okay, so these are the surveys. So yeah, so of course, this is going to be the link to the server right here. This is the shortened version. You can either click here on our link right here, or link to Google Docs, or you can also go here on the link, have it there at the top, and you go fill out the entire survey, and they're very important to us. Joshua, how's it going? Enjoyed the presentation so far. So I mean, I'm pretty sure you joined afterwards. Of course, we made improvements to our web page here. So this is the current roster sniper page. It's pretty GGC like. Of course, when you add a course to the GGC bear here, the layout's pretty much the same. Just an improvement onto it. Of course, to make it more universal, kind of. We have our GGC splash pages right here. We have go back, of course, Dream State, Georgia Tech, and also some examples of them, of course. But so far, I mean, I'll go directly onto this is all obviously only GGC at the moment. But once we get that up, it'll be for every school that we have available at the moment. We can try to go for the state pretty up and running soon, maybe, possibly. Something like, of course, I think here, if you want to look for fall, let's look for spring. So we want to look for Monday and Wednesday only. Have those Monday, Wednesday only classes. Look for our project class. So our software projects. So of course, it's already filled up, but we can track it right here. Once you have that start, you can go into the My Courses tab. You can see that right here. So this is for email notifications, of course, and this is to start. So if you don't want an email, just unclick. Just check it. Of course, if you have it started, you'll watch it. But if you want to untrack it, just unclick. Just click right there, and it's gone. Pretty simple, honestly. Yeah. And our bot page, of course, has our information here. This has the more like that kind of like text. Well, text as Dr. Goodnight said it. Has that information here. So shift it into the about page, and right here under the home page, you see how the entire site works. From registration to searching, favoriting in class, getting your emails, and just looking for your notifications, of course. Yeah, and you're registered here. But I'm already registered, so mine's already logged in, so you can follow it there. Of course, yeah, it's not so that, but yeah. Awesome. Ashna, I greatly appreciate if you join us in the course. The survey is the link right on top here. But if you don't see them, yes, I mean, it's encouraged that you use your just email or you email, but it's not necessary, of course. It's great to have just because that way you have everything with your GGC email, of course. Yeah. So yeah. I don't like to have to record this, but really appreciated. But so Saad, hey, welcome. How's it going? So basically, this is our website right here. We took it from our other classmates here that are client. So this is the current web page that we have for GC. So this is basically to register for courses. This is it's not a registration app, but it's more so of a, hey, I want this course, but it's full. I want to get notified so that way I can register for that class because I really want to take this class. I really like the professor, so that you can have that advantage over some people because not everyone knows when they are, available for when they have that specific class available. They just register because you can obviously just check every day, see if it's available. If it's not available, I don't know. But this is, this is great to have. It's a great tool. Right now it works for GC, but it'll work for any college that uses the same system as GC. So of course, we have that here. This is a from my page, like I said. This is the about page, so this is how it works. We wanted to have it a lot easier for other people to use this. So we made it into the home screen right now. So right here we have this information here, same exact thing, just in large and a lot easier to see. We have the register now, of course, so you can register your email here, your name, and your password and everything. Yeah. And so here you can add the courses. This is the direct link that works for everything.
Do you mind walking the dog for a little bit while I'm going to set just
Sure, yeah.
All right, thanks. I'll be right out.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, so someone
Are you watching a dog, Jeremiah?
check it out.
You're a busy man today.
I mean, it's a really cute dog. It's really tiny. Yeah. Yeah. So, oh no, the dog's whimpering. Oh, I feel bad, but oh god,
Oh,
that's
right in
fine.
the eardrum.
I bet that was worse for you guys than it was for me.
Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's a core sickle killer type competitor. One advantage of Roster Sniper, if you've ever used
It's
Core
free
Sickle,
as well.
yes, if you want to on Core Sickle, if you want to watch multiple courses to get the notifications, you have to sign up and I believe pay. So we just use signing up to send you emails. Obviously, there's no sketchy data scraping or anything like that. It's literally just the method of sending you email notifications. So you sign up and you select your watched courses and you'll get the email notifications when there's changes on those courses. And like I said,
Don't be
opposed to
right
Core
out.
Sickle, you don't have to pay to watch multiple courses. It's all free. So great service.
You can watch as many as you want. So of course, right now you don't have anything. We don't have anything saved under my profile specifically. Right here, I want to add. Sorry about the barking. Not anything I can do about that. So once let's say you want to search all of these courses. We have these here, all of them. We'll get notifications for all of them. If they're full, that like digital media is honestly one of the courses that fills up the fastest in our entire class, in my entire school. So I mean, if you go right now for registration, you'll see that constantly filled up, constantly filled. But yeah, so when you haven't favorited, use the my courses page right here, and these are email notifications and also these stars. This is the star preferred courses right here. If you want to just untrack them, just click and it goes away. They all go away. You won't get notified of any of these courses. Yeah. So far, I mean, once you refresh the page, of course, nothing's there, so you won't be able to see anything there. There's nothing there. Yeah. If you have any questions, we'll definitely answer those questions. He was whimpering a lot. But yeah. So for now, these are any questions at all, we'll definitely answer them. We definitely appreciate that. Definitely check them out. Check out their surveys. This month definitely the surveys.
For anyone new that's just joined, I have posted the links to the website, the demo, and the survey links as well.
Yeah. So FPR, welcome. So we're just discussing other websites and everything and their projects. So, but for now, this is our project since you are here. Yeah, so this is our Roster Sniper page. Roster Sniper is basically steered more towards looking for classes that you want but are currently not available as far as the registration. If a class is full,
Are we using Roster Sniper or Techno Roster Sniper?
this is just to show them what it is basically. Just telling them about what it's about. Yeah. So yes, I mean this is what it looks like now. So like I said, so it's more so just for registration to favorite class and get notified about that class to make sure that it's available. So you'll get notifications on your specific classes, not for every class, of course. Yeah, so this is what our updated page looks like. We had it more so to have it less kind of like text blocky here, so there's a lot of text, of course. I wanted to reduce that. So here we have the new updated page. It of course is texty, but as much, but it gives concise information as to what it is about. Of course, it's free. It's 100% free. You can watch as many courses as you want. It goes up based off of many schools. So as long as your school is compatible with the system, then of course we can submit that to request them added, and yeah, you can start looking for your courses. But for now, we have the site here of how it works. We look for this is just instructions as to how itself, how the actual site works. Register, look for the courses, cover your courses, look for the emails. Just watch out for this type of email. That just means that the actual course that you wanted is available. Of course, you register now and just actually register the course. So it updates at every certain. There's a certain interval where it actually updates. So you'll be notified as soon as it's available. You can just go ahead and adjust your notifications here. So, for example, since I'm already logged in and registered, so let's look for NITEC course, one of our courses, right? So for here, let's say you want my intro to computing. You really want see digital media. So you really want the Professor Yi Ding course. So right here, 40 out of 40, that just means it's completely up to capacity. Here, so of course, these you have 2 spots left, but in these classes, let's say I really want Yi Ding. So you favorite the course, you'll get notified as soon as someone drops. And right here, if you want to look at the courses that you're watching, go to My Courses. You can select the email if you want to get notified, and you can also just unselect it if you want to. If you don't want if you already registered, or you don't want the course anymore, you found a better course, so on and so forth. That's the main functionality of this. We switched over that text from the previous page here. It over into the About section. Just get some more information here, just like a more fun way, basically. We have who it's created by, our contributors, which is just us, mainly. How to check out the code, of course, if you want to look at the information on the page. And then, yeah, so this is our GitHub page. And so, of course, how to actually use the page. Yeah. If you have any questions at all, of course, feel free to ask any questions, of course. Welcome, Angel. We definitely appreciate your attendance. Please check out the surveys here. So can you link the surveys again, Safi?
Yeah, I got you.
Someone has a dog here and here. No, so we didn't start from scratch. We built upon what they had available already. So this is like their current page right here, and then it's of course for GGC only. And right now it's the registration thing is still for GGC, but it's getting it ready for more schools basically. So here, instead of just being like during courses, when you hit here to find a school, these are just like examples of the schools. So if once, like for example, GSU is available, this will be of course like find courses and like search your courses. But for now, this is what we have here, the demo. We have like Georgia Tech here, and of course UGA. So it's not just for Georgia colleges. We'll have it available for any college that uses the same system as this, basically. But this is what they looks like here. So there's, like I said, it's a screen just for GC. That's what it's primarily for at the moment. Devin, you might be able to explain this a little more. Well, actually, not really, because it's more so. Because the registration in like the login and everything was already pre-made, so we kind of more so just included the front end stuff and built on some back end stuff for something actually. Devin, you can actually explain that part, the back end stuff.
Okay. Yeah, so for authentication, we did some back-end stuff. I didn't work too much on that at all, but when it sends you an email after you sign up, it's got the typical verify your email if you didn't request this, otherwise disregard it. So the stuff that we did on the back end was we're trying to like make it more self-maintained or containerized. So right now, when you actually run the server, you also have to run the update courses function inside that separately. So you're using 2 different command line executions, and we're trying to get that self-maintained where you just run the server and it will periodically update the courses. So that's what we've been working on. We're pretty close on that one. So yeah, Sean would definitely be the expert on it because they did build the back end and majority of the front end and stuff like that.
Yeah, so Sean and Ryan are our clients basically for this project. And they so the technical stuff really on that. But yeah, of course, fire your questions away. Of course, we're here to help. We're here to answer all of your questions. But I mean, if you haven't already, please fill out the survey. Both surveys, please. If you have already, all good. Cool. Awesome. Thank you for coming, Angel. And Assad, thank you as well for coming. Thank you for attending. If you took the surveys already, thank you very much. We really appreciate that. We really need those.
Good work, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. So, I mean, I guess we're almost done here. It's already 2:58, and apparently, it's just us here. So.
Yeah, this time went by really quickly.
Oh yeah. I'm surprised that my computer's batteries are draining so fast. Wow. I guess microphone on, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, screen recording. Yeah. We can definitely wait for some more people here.